Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 13, things around us, and I am going to deliver lecture number 14. And the lecture is about what do animals eat. So my dear students, before moving on towards our main lecture, let's quickly recap what we did in the previous lecture. So quickly tell me, look at the picture of this cat and what are different features of this cat. क्योंकि हमने previous lecture में एक project बनाया था जिसमें हमने animals के different features को discuss किया था. So cat में जो मैंने special feature आपको बताया था, क्या वो आपको याद है? एक तो इसकी hearing sense बहुत strong होती है and secondly इसके sweetness buds नहीं होते, यानी कि इसकी जबान जो है उसको sweet taste feel नहीं होता. So my dear students, now is the time for an activity. So here look at this horse and tell me what does horse eat. घोड़ा क्या खाता है? घास खाता है. Very good. Okay my dear students, now in today's lecture students will be able to identify the food which different animals eat. जानवर जो मुख्तलिफ खाना खाते हैं, आज बच्चे जो है उसको आइडेंटिफाई कर सकेंगे कि वो कौन कौन सा जो है वो खाना जानवर खाते हैं. So let's quickly move forward towards the Islamic perspective. So Allah says in Quran, and there is no creature on the earth or bird that flies with its wings except communities like you. We have not neglected in the register a thing. So my dear students, Allah Taala ने हर जानवर के बारे में, हर जानदार के बारे में जो चीज भी अल्लाह ताला ने बनाई है वो अल्लाह ताला को पता है कि कौन सा जानदार किधर है, उसको क्या चाहिए, उसकी जरूरियात क्या है. तो अल्लाह ताला ने हर चीज को नोट डाउन किया हुआ है और अल्लाह ताला को खूब मालूम है ये बातें. So my dear students, now is the time for pre-reading questions. So quickly tell me that what are different eating habits in animals? नहीं पता आपको? कुछ जानवर घास खाते हैं, कुछ गोश्त खाते हैं, कुछ पौधों को और जानवरों को दोनों को खाते हैं. So these are some eating habits of animals. Okay, my dear students, now is the time for reading. For reading, I request you all to please open What Do Animals Eat in your GK1 books. I hope everybody has done it. So now let's start the reading. Put your fingers where I will read. What do animals eat? What do animals eat? Different animals eat different foods. Some eat plants. Some eat other animals. Very few animals eat both plants and animals. So my dear students, जानवर जो है उनकी eating habits different होती हैं. कुछ पौधे खाते हैं, कुछ गोश्त खाते हैं या दूसरे जानवरों को खाते हैं और बहुत कम ऐसे जानवर होते हैं जो कि पौधों को और जानवरों को या गोश्त और पौधे दोनों चीजें खाते हैं. Okay. Here is the picture. यहाँ हम एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. So यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं lion eat meat. This is a bear. Bear eats fish and it also eat honey. Giraffe. A giraffe eat leaves just like goat and cow. Crow. Crow eats meat and bread. Sparrow. Sparrow eats caterpillar and seeds. यानी कि ये seeds को और insects को खाते हैं. So these are different eating habits of animals. So goat eat plants, lion eat other animals, fox eat both. ये plants भी खाता है और ये meat भी खाता है. So again, crow eat meat and bread, lion eat meat, giraffe eat leaves, goat eat leaves also. Then comes cow, it also eat plants और आप leaves कह सकते हैं. Sparrow eat caterpillars and seeds or grains. Bear eat fish or it also eat honey. So now is the time for evaluation. So quickly answer the questions. I will ask the question from 34 till 37 from your listening and speaking questions. So quickly tell me, what do you eat? Plant or animals? So आप क्या खाते हैं जल्दी से मुझे बताएं. आप जानवरों को खाते हैं या पौधों को खाते हैं? हम दोनों चीजें खाते हैं. हम अक्सर गोश्त भी खाते हैं, जैसे कि बकरे का गोश्त, चिकन खाते हैं, हम फिश खाते हैं, इसके अलावा हम अक्सर सब्जियां और फल भी इस्तेमाल करते हैं. So that means human beings eat both. They eat meat and plants both. Next question. What does a crow eat? Crow eat meat and bread. Number 36. What do sparrow and bear eat? Sparrow eat caterpillar and grains or seeds. Bear eat fish and honey. What does a giraffe eat? It eats leaves. Very good. So now let's move forward towards practice. For practice, you can download this worksheet from the description box below this video, or you can get it in print from Bio Teacher. So write down your name and your class, and then what you will do is match animals with their eating habits. So here on one side animals are given और यहाँ उनकी eating habits लिखी हुई है. So you have to match it. मैं आपको एक करके दिखाती हूँ. So lion eat meat, giraffe eat leaves, sparrow eat seeds and caterpillars. मैंने सारे ही कर दिया आपके लिए. And bear eat fish and honey, crow eat meat and bread. So this is how you will do the match the columns. So what you will do now is pause the video and complete the worksheet. I hope everybody has done it. Now let's move forward towards the homework. So in today's homework, what you will do is सबसे पहले आप home activity number 9 करेंगे, and then you will do independent activity number 2 given on page number 117. So my dear students, home activity number 9 says that find out 2 animals that eat only plants. So आपको 2 जानवरों के नाम नोट डाउन करने हैं जो सिर्फ पौधे खाते हैं. 2 animals that eat other animals. 2 ऐसे जानवरों के नाम लिखने हैं जो कि दूसरे जानवरों को खाते हैं या गोश्त खाते हैं. और किसी एक ऐसे जानवर का नाम लिखना है जो कि दोनों चीजों को खाता है, जो कि मीट भी खाता है और प्लांट्स भी खाता है. So goat and cow, lion and tiger, and fox. So this is how you will do it. Note down it in your notebook. So independent activity number 2. So have you ever fed any animal? Narrate your experience to your class fellows. Your story must include name of the animal, where did you find this animal, the food you gave to it, how did you feel while giving food to the animal, did animal eat the food you provide. So my dear students, अब आपको घर में एक स्टोरी जो भी आपने कभी किसी जानवर को खाना खिलाया हो तो आपने उसके ऊपर एक स्टोरी क्रिएट करनी है और नेक्स्ट डे आपने अपने क्लास फेलो से शेयर करनी है. लेट मी शेयर माय एक्सपीरियंस. Once upon a time there was a cat near my house and it was very hungry and she came into our house and when I saw that she is very hungry, so I took a plate, a bowl, and I filled it with milk and I gave it to the cat. So it instantly drank all the milk. उसने सारा दूध जो है वो पी लिया और इस तरीके से जो है वो उसकी भूख खत्म हुई and I felt very happy. और कैट्स जो है वो गोश्त भी खाती हैं और वो दूध भी पीती हैं. सो फिर क्या हुआ कि वो कैट जो है वो डेली हमारे घर सेम टाइम पर आ जाती थी और हम उसको दूध डालते थे, तो इस तरीके से वो हमारी एक तरीके से पेट कैट बन गई थी. So this is my story. So share your story with your class fellows. Okay, now let's move forward towards the wrap up, my dear students. So today we have learned that different plants, different animals eat different foods, and some only eat plants, some eat other animals, some eat both plants and other animals. So my dear students, कुछ जानवर जो है वो पौधे खाते हैं, कुछ गोश्त खाते हैं, कुछ दोनों चीजें खाते हैं सॉरी पौधों को और जानवरों को. So ये eating habits हैं animals की. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.